Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to print in Gemini. So let's start. Open your Gemini and here you can see I already log in Google Chrome. So here I enter the one prompt 30 days diet plan, okay, for weight loss, okay. And just enter and wait for the few seconds. Your Gemini generating your diet plan for weight loss. Wait for the few seconds. And here is your diet plan is ready. 30 days weight loss journey with this balanced diet plan. Great. Wait for in process still. Okay. And it's done. And here you can see your 30 days weight loss diet plan is ready. Week 1, then here week 2, then week 3, and you can check the all details here. If you want to print, just simply select the text. So I just select this text, okay, up to this week 1, and right click on it. Right click on the mouse and click on the print option, and here you can see your print preview here showing. After the check the preview, just select your the printer, just click on the option and here select your the printer. Okay. And after that, click on the print and that's it. You can easily print in Gemini. So hope you understood. If you like these, please subscribe. Thank you so much.